I just wanted to make a quick follow-up to my previous video. It turns out the objects were most likely Chinese Qianfan satellites that had just been launched. The coordinates and timing don't match, but it's almost certainly them. I'm the kind of person who likes things to line up properly, so I spent most of a day building a setup in Blender. The idea was to place a camera on a globe using real latitude and longitude coordinates. I eventually got it working, and then tried to recreate the two images to see whether Earth's curvature made a difference. It did, but the numbers still don't quite match. At this point, I'm not going to push it further, since we already know what it is. My simulation gives a height of about 768 kilometers and a speed of 6.6 kilometers per second, which is too slow. One possible explanation is the timestamps in the image data. The photos were taken with exposure times of 3.4 seconds on an iPhone 13 and 1 second on a 15 Pro Max, so there may be differences in where each device records the capture time. A timing error of around 3 seconds would actually bring the speed up to about 7.4 kilometers per second, which is what we would expect. Or it might simply be that this kind of calculation is hard to get perfectly right from just two images. Still, it was a fun experiment. Now I'm going to focus on making music, so no more UFOs or drones for a while. Unless